We are very close to the place where our cat friends are staying. Miming and her cute kittens there. I hope they are here because I have food and water again for them. Ming! Ming! Oh, there you go. Ming! Where is your mom? Ming! Come here, I have food again. Ming! Ming! Oh my god, where is your mom? Ming! There you go! Ming! Come here! Why are only 3? Where's the other one? Oh, there's another one here. A black cat. Wow! And here. Hello! Don't fight, okay? Don't fight, don't fight. We have food here. We have a lot of food here for all of you to share, okay? Ming, how are you? You miss me? Oh, see? Look. See? She's caressing my feet. You are all hungry. Oh. You are all hungry. Other one. Here, come here. Come here. Wow, they are all excited. Especially Miming. See? She keeps on touching me. Wow. Can I touch you? You miss me? Huh? 1 week we did not see each other. I know you are very hungry. Sorry, I cannot come here every day because also very far and I have work. I can only come here and visit you during my off. Ming! Where are you? Hello, why you are so... Hello. Hey Blackie. Blackie, come here. See Blackie. Blackie. Hello. This is Cutie. Cutie. See, very good combination of colors. Miming got jealous. But orange, oh, come on. See, Cutie is already tamed and Blackie already tamed. But orange, oh, still not tamed. Come here. See. Okay, I'll bring the food now. Here, Ming. This is our grilled chicken. See, mixed with some grilled beef. Oh. Enjoy the food, okay? Just enjoy the food. Don't fight. Don't quarrel. Oh. Ming. Wow, you are growing. Before you are only 4, 5. Now how many? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you are 9. Ming, here, Ming. Here. Why you don't want to go here? You want to stay with me only? Ming. There they are eating now. Oh, so many cats here now. Not only Miming and her family, but look at them. 4, 1, 4, 5 kittens and 1, 2, 3, 4 adults.